Hello friends, this is AP sir and welcome back our school Government Upper Primary School Jabalpur. So friends, today we will play a game to question of general knowledge in English. So friends, many students are here, they will play a game. So friends, without wasting of time, let's start our game. So friends and dear student, one is Yogesh Barik, the another is Lansi Barik. Both are student of class 8 and they will be play this game. Okay? So are you ready, Yogesh?
Yes, sir.
Lansi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So claps your hand for Yogesh and Lansi. Stand up, Yogesh and Lansi. Okay. And come. Okay, dear student, here Yogesh and the another is Lansi Barik. Okay, Yogesh? Okay. So what is the our motto?
इंग्लिश की शुरुआत एपी सर के साथ.
इंग्लिश की शुरुआत ओके सो लेट्स स्टार्ट होल्ड दिस
हेलो.
Hi,
यू मे सीट.
thank you.
हेलो, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Lansi Barik and your?
माय नेम इज योगेश बारिक. हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
I am 13 years old and you?
I am also 13 years old. First of all, I would like to ask some question.
Yes, you can ask.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Sambhunath Barik and your?
My father's name is Mr. Khitulal Barik.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Jayanti Barik and yours?
My mother's name is Mrs. Sita Barik.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old and you?
I am also 13 years old.
What does your father do?
My father is farmer. And what is your country name?
Our country, India is our country.
How many members in your family?
I have 3 members in my family apart from me and your?
I have 5 members in my family including me. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi is capital of India. What is our national bird?
Peacock is our national bird. And what is our national flower?
Lotus is our national flower.
How many states in India?
I think 28 is state in India. What is our national tree?
Banyan tree is our national tree. What is your school's name?
My school's name is Government Upper Primary School Jabalpur. And your?
My school's name also Government Upper Primary School Jabalpur.
Yeah, they are doing well. Clap your hands.
How many teachers in your school?
There are 5 teachers in our school. What is our district?
Mahasamund is our district. Who is our Prime Minister?
Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. Who is our Chief Minister?
Mr. Bhupesh Baghel is our Chief Minister. Who is our President?
Mr. Ramnath Kovind is our President.
What is our state?
Chhattisgarh is our state. What is capital of Chhattisgarh?
Raipur. Raipur is capital of Chhattisgarh. And what is capital of Madhya Pradesh?
Bhopal is capital of Madhya Pradesh.
How many languages do you speak?
I know 4 languages. Their name are Hindi, English, Odia and Chhattisgarhi.
Gayatri Sabar and Pammi Barik. Okay, come here. Gayatri Sabar and Pammi. Okay, Gayatri, hold it.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine.
You may sit.
Thank you.
Welcome. What's your name?
My name is Gayatri Sabar. And your?
My name is Pammi Barik. How old are you?
I am 13 years old. And you?
I am 12 years old.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Akhil Barik. And yours?
My father's name is Mr. Resamlal Sabar. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Subhasini Barik. And yours?
My mother's name is Mrs. Vinapati Sabar. What is your mother's?
My mother is a housemaker. And yours?
My mother is also housemaker.
Okay, I ask you about school.
Yes. You can.
What's your school name?
My school's name is Government Upper Primary School, Jabalpur.
When do you go to school?
I go to school 10 o'clock.
How many teacher in your school?
5 teacher in our middle school.
What's your headmaster name?
Our headmaster name is Mr. Tej Kumar Pradhan.
What's your class teacher name?
Mr. Sunil Pradhan is our class teacher.
Okay, now ask me.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
What is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Aswini Pradhan.
How many students in our class?
I think 25 students in our class.
That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Gayatri Sabar and Pammi Barik. So, big hands for Gayatri Sabar and Pammi Barik. Okay. Thank you. Now go your seat. And next,
Hello,
I am Bharti Kewat.
I am Mamta Tri.
You may sit.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Hemkumar Kewat. And your?
My father's name is Mr. Abhimanyu Atri. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Kekti Kewat.
What's your school name?
My school's name is Government Upper Primary School, Jabalpur. And your?
My school name is also Government Upper Primary School, Jabalpur. What do you do?
I am a student. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Who is our Prime Minister?
Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister.
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi is capital of India.
What is the capital of Odisha?
Bhubaneswar is capital of Odisha.
okay, very good. So clap your hand.
Okay, that's all.
I will ask you question.
Okay, ask me.
Who is our chief minister?
Mr. Bhupesh Baghel is our chief minister.
Who is our president?
Mr. Ramnath Kovind is our president.
What's your country name?
India is our country name.
What's your district name?
Mahasamund is our district.
What's your state name?
Chhattisgarh is our state.
That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Mamta and Bharti Kewar. So big hands for Mamta and Bharti. Okay. Now you can go your seat. Now next I would like to call Yashwant Barik and Mukesh. Okay. Come. Okay, Yashwant. Take it and ask question to each other. Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I am also fine. You message. You message. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Mukesh Sahu.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Parmeshwar Sahu.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Puspa Sahu.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling. Their name is Pinky Sahu.
Now you ask.
How many members in your family?
I have 9 members in my family, including me.
What does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a housemaker.
Where are you from?
I am from Jabalpur.
Which class do you reading?
I read in class 6.
What is your school name?
My school's name is Government Upper Primary School, Jabalpur. And yours?
My school name is also Government Upper Primary School, Jabalpur. That's all.
Hobby?
My hobby is reading book and playing cricket.
What's your favorite friend's name?
My favorite friend's name is Yogesh Varik.
That's all.
I will ask some question. Who is our chief minister?
Mr. Bhupesh Baghel is our chief minister.
Who is our prime minister?
Mr. Narendra Modi is our prime minister.
Now you can ask.
How many students in your class?
I think 24 students in our class. And yours?
I think 15 students in our class. That's all.
What is capital of Chhattisgarh?
Raipur is capital of Chhattisgarh.
What is capital of India?
New Delhi is capital of India. Now I will ask you some question. What is capital of Madhya Pradesh?
Bhopal is capital of Madhya Pradesh.
What is capital of Odisha?
Bhubaneswar is capital of Odisha.
Now I will ask you some related tense. Tell me present indefinite tense, their rule and regulation.
वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ती है, ते है रहता है. हेल्पिंग वर्ड डू या डस रहता है. वर्ब में फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगता है. डू आई वी यू दे के साथ लगता है. डस ही सी इट नेम के साथ लगता है.
ट्रांसलेट इट. मैं खाता हूँ.
आई ईट.
मैं नहीं खाता हूँ.
आई डोंट ईट.
क्या मैं खाता हूँ?
डू आई ईट.
क्या मैं नहीं खाता हूँ?
डू आई नॉट ईट.
नाइस. दैट्स ऑल.
Do you know about future indefinite tense?
यस.
So tell us.
वाक्य के अंत में गा, गेगी, हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल, वर्ब में फर्स्ट फॉर्म विल के साथ सब लगता है.
So translate it. मैं खेलूँगा.
आई विल प्ले.
मैं नहीं खेलूँगा.
आई विल नॉट प्ले.
क्या मैं खेलूँगा?
विल आई प्ले.
क्या मैं नहीं खेलूँगा?
विल आई नॉट प्ले.
Do you know about has to have to?
यस आई नो. हैव टू मीन्स ना है, ना पढ़ा, ना पढ़ता है.
So translate it. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मुझे खाना है.
I have to eat.
मुझे दौड़ना है.
I have to run.
मुझे उठना है.
I have to get up.
मुझे चलना है.
I have to walk.
वेरी नाइस. दैट्स ऑल. तुम्हें जाना है.
You have to go.
तुम्हें खाना है.
You have to eat.
तुम्हें उठना है.
You have to get up.
तुम्हें बैठना है.
You have to sit.
हमें खाना है.
We have to eat.
हमें सोना है.
We have to sleep.
हमें बैठना है.
We have to sit.
हमें पीना है.
We have to drink.
Do you know about should?
Yes, I know. Should means ना चाहिए. Should का उपयोग सलाह लेने या देने के लिए किया जाता है.
So translate it. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए.
You should go.
तुम्हें खाना चाहिए.
You should eat.
तुम्हें खेलना चाहिए.
You should play.
मुझे जाना चाहिए.
I should go.
मुझे उठना चाहिए.
I should get up.
मुझे खड़े होना चाहिए.
I should stand.
हमें खाना चाहिए.
We should eat.
हमें सोना चाहिए.
We should play.
हमें पीना चाहिए.
We should drink.
Do you know about can?
Yes, I know. Can का अर्थ सकता है, शक्ति है, सकते हैं. Can का उपयोग शक्ति, एबिलिटी या ताकत दिखाने के लिए किया जाता है.
So translate it. मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
Good. मैं नहीं जा सकता हूँ.
I can't go.
मैं खेल सकता हूँ.
I can play.
नाइस. क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ?
Can I go?
मैं खेल सकता हूँ. मैं नहीं खेल सकता हूँ.
I can not play.
मैं नहीं पी सकता हूँ.
I can not drink.
मैं नहीं जा सकता हूँ.
I can not go.
क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ?
Can I go?
क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ?
Can I sit?
नाइस नाइस. मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ.
I can study.
क्या मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ?
Can I study?
क्या मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता हूँ?
Can I not study?
क्या मैं लिख सकता हूँ?
Can I write?
नाइस. मैं राम के साथ पढ़ सकता हूँ.
I can study with Ram.
मैं यशवंत के साथ जा सकता हूँ.
I can go with Yashwant.
मैं मुकेश के साथ पढ़ सकता हूँ.
I can study with Mukesh.
मैं क्रिकेट खेल सकता हूँ.
I can play cricket.
मैं तुम्हारे साथ बैठ सकता हूँ.
I can sit with you.
मैं मूवी देख सकता हूँ.
I can watch movie.
मैं टीवी नहीं देख सकता हूँ.
I cannot watch TV.
मैं ब्लैक बोर्ड में लिख सकता हूँ.
I can write in blackboard.
मैं पिकनिक जा सकता हूँ।
I can go to picnic.
Do you know about will have to?
Yes, I know. Will have to का अर्थ है ना होगा ना पड़ेगा.
So translate it. तुम्हें स्कूल जाना होगा।
You will have to go to school.
तुम्हें गिलास से पानी पीना होगा।
You will have to drink water with glass.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, big hands for Yashwant and Mukesh. Okay, Yashwant, yes, you stand up, and Mukesh, stand up. Very nice. I am proud of you. Okay, so now go your seat. Okay, thank you, dear student, for participating here. And next day we will learn different types of word and we will do different types of activity. Okay, so thank you. हमारा मोटो क्या है? इंग्लिश की शुरुआत इंग्लिश की शुरुआत इंग्लिश की शुरुआत. So thank you for watching our video.